What is up, my YouTube friends? Welcome back to another video. My name is Bobby. If you are new here and you enjoy investing, making money, easy ways to make money, passive income, anything of that sort, please be sure to drop a like down below. Today, we are going to be doing something interesting. We are going to be jumping into the Snowbank DAO project. How do I explain Snowbank? Or describe Snowbank, I should say. Snowbank is obviously it's a fork off of Olympus DAO. It's built on the Avalanche network, which is awesome. But if Wonderland Time is risky, Snowbank makes it look like child's play. Snowbank's, if you enter the app, Snowbank's APY percentage right now is absurd, like astronomical. It's almost 400,000%, which is just crazy. But like I said, you got to take risk, and this could be a complete rug pull. This could come back to bite me, but I'm only going to put in a little bit. I've been thinking about it. Um, if it does end up being legitimate long term, then I've made some significant gains, and I can't be mad at that. So this will be the full setup because I've got some AVAX in my MetaMask, but I don't have anything staked, as you can see. So this is a complete setup video. If you're thinking about this, let me know down below your thoughts on Snowbank or any other DAO projects. And yeah, let's get to it. So of course, preliminarily, the first thing you're going to want to have is the MetaMask wallet set up on your browser. Super easy, guys. You just go to Google, you know, Google install MetaMask wallet. It'll put a little icon up here in your browser. So super easy. From there, when you set up MetaMask, it's going to automatically be set up with the Ethereum mainnet. You're going to need to Google set up Avalanche network on MetaMask, something of that verbiage, and you're basically going to want to click up at the top, go to custom RPC, and enter all the information for the Avalanche network, which you could set up MetaMask Avalanche. So I've already searched it. First one right here. And if you scroll down, it's got screenshots and all the information you need to set up the Avalanche mainnet on your MetaMask. All right, now that we got that out of the way, the first thing I need to do is send from Coinbase some Avalanche or AVAX to my MetaMask wallet. So what I'm going to do is click on MetaMask up here. I'm making sure that I'm on the Avalanche network, and I'm going to copy my wallet address. So that should be copied. Going on to Coinbase, and at the top, I'm going to click send and receive. I'm going to make sure I'm on the Avalanche asset. So if you click send and receive up here, you can see the send and receive box. Obviously, we're not receiving anything. We're sending to our MetaMask. So you're going to paste your wallet address there. It'll tell you your Avalanche balance depending on how much you buy at the bottom. So I would like to send, let's just do, that was kind of laggy. Okay. Just hesitate. Just a fair warning, guys. I saw that Coinbase had like a little alert box that I X'd out of, but it basically said that sends transactionally from AVAX to other wallet addresses are a little slower right now. I guess it's a little bit congested, but I'm gonna send $200 worth of AVAX to my MetaMask, and I'll just put a little note for Snow. Okay, So we're going to hit continue with that. And I know right now in my MetaMask I already have like 1.4 AVAX. So there's my transaction confirmation send. And give me 1 second because I'm never prepared to type in my two-factor authentication. Okay. All right. This could be a little bit of a lengthy video, so I apologize, but I'm literally doing this from scratch, so bear with me. So that's another 1.44 sent to my wallet address. Okay, I got the check mark, so it should be good. It wants me to view transactions. I'm just going to exit out of that. And let's make sure in our MetaMask that it shows. Okay, and you can see my balance basically doubled. I'm doing Time Wonderland as well, so I've got some memo right there. I've already got the Snowbank token implemented. You can go on like CoinGecko.com, search Snowbank, and hit the little MetaMask icon, the little fox, and it'll automatically implement that. But now that I'm looking pretty in my Avalanche balance under MetaMask, I'm going to go to TraderJoeXYZ.com. You'll have to go to the trade portion of that site, and we're going to go from AVAX to SB is the ticker symbol for Snowbank. We're going to click on that bad boy, and we're going to, how much do I want to send? Remember as well, since you have to pay gas fees via AVAX, you're going to want to leave some AVAX in your MetaMask. So don't do max as far as when you're trying to convert this stuff. So right now I have 2.8. Take that out because I was just curious. Let's just do 2. So we will do 2 AVAX. That'll give us 0.089 Snowbank. And let's go ahead and swap that. You should get a couple transaction boxes. Okay, so there's a liquidity provider fee, confirm swap, and there's our goodies inside of our MetaMask, just the estimated gas fee, pretty minimalistic, probably 20 cents or so. I'd have to do the conversion, but I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. Transaction submitted. Okay, going Snow Trace. We're just going to close that since we made the conversion, and we're going to click back in our MetaMask. We may have to do that a couple times. You can see that it's pending, so it's trying to do its thing. Transaction 3 confirmed. Okay, let's go to assets and see. And cool, okay. So you can see now I have some Snowbank in here. Now, like I said, guys, with Snowbank, it is very, very risky. I don't know a lot about it. I just know I've seen some people using it on YouTube, and it looks like a cool project. I hope it works out for me. That's why I'm not putting a ton in here, just to kind of give it a couple weeks, see how it does. This is like one of those projects where your parents might be ashamed of you if you do this, or if you are a parent, your kids, if they're cognizant enough to realize what you're doing, they might think you're nuts. They might think you're absurd. But I'm pretty risky. I'm not adverse to risk, so I saw that Snowbank, the price was down today. I'm happy to jump in on a red day. Wish I could have got in down here when it was like 1700, but it's definitely up from when it first became a thing, around 5 grand. So we're done with Trader Joe. We've got our Snowbank, done with Coinbase. Now we jump into the Snowbank DAO app. You can also mint on here for mint discounts. I don't know a ton about that, to be honest. I'm just going to stick to staking it and let the compounding take effect. So I'm under stake right here. You can see that the APY is 397,000 to be exact. If you can't see this, hopefully you can. Your ROI estimated, I guess, on a 5-day rate is 12%. I can just look at this and tell that obviously these numbers are higher than what Time Wonderland offers. All right, why are you being difficult? Just say it. Maybe I need to refresh, Bobby. If I would use my head sometimes, it's probably what I need to do in order to, yeah, okay, so you can see now this changed. It does show that I own some Snowbank, so I'm going to hit max now. That's going to implement that. You're going to have to hit approve first to approve this part of it, and then you're going to have to hit stake again after approve to finalize the deal. So approve there. Allow Snowbank to spend your, spend your Snowbank. It's a little paradoxical. Allow Snowbank to spend your Snowbank. $1.25 fee. That's okay. That's way better than Ethereum fees, so I can't be mad at that. All right, so that's pending. I may have to give it a minute and then refresh. This is just how my mind works. I have to take things one step at a time because I'm very orderly and I try to be, I think methodically. I can't be as sporadic as I'd like to be. Transaction 4 confirmed. Okay. So let's see what's going on. Assets. Still in there. So like I said, I probably need to click it again because I don't see a staked balance yet. Prove. Okay, so there's 2 fees, which equated to like $2.17 or 207, something like that. Confirm. Pending. I guess it is taking a minute. Okay. Good deal. Let me refresh this and just see if it actually staked it. Okay, it's still being a pain. Did it do its thing? Okay. I guess I forgot to go up here and implement. See, it's not letting me click on Snowbank because I already have it in my MetaMask. So that's on me, guys. Just make sure you go up here at the top and click on Staked Snowbank. Staked Snowbank. Still just showing my Snowbank. Why are you being ornery? Okay, that time it worked. Estimated gas fee, da da da. So this transaction screen, I can tell it looks different. Do I still have any AVAX in here? Okay, yeah, I still have 0.83. Oh man, what is going on? Okay, okay, now it took effect. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know. That thing was being laggy. Still showing under my balance, but we will get there eventually. Okay, awesome. All right, so you can see now my balance is 0. I guess I messed myself up by not um, adding that token to my wallet. I thought I tried earlier. I guess it didn't do it. But I knew I had Snowbank in there, so be sure you add the little s Snowbank for stake Snowbank. Be sure to connect your wallet, that you have some AVAX in your MetaMask, and that you leave enough to pay some fees, which is always fun. I still have a little bit, should be enough to pay. There's my time and staked Snowbank. Okay. And if you're curious about exactly what amount you just staked, you can just copy this number, stake balance, and you can go back to Snowbank on CoinMarketCap. You can go to the converter down here, paste that. Okay, so that's fine. I was wanting to do around 250 bucks, 2 to 300, so I ended up staking 275 bucks. That's perfectly okay, even though I may have paid one fee too much, but it's all right. No worries. You can also see next reward amount. You can also copy that and see what you're getting 3 times a day, because it should be the same as far as rebasing every 8 hours. So that's 3 times a day. So right now it's going to be pretty small. I'll be getting about a little over $6 a day right now, just staking it. But I'm sure as time progresses, that'll look better and better. So yeah, that is how you look like a failure and try to get on Snowbank. But it worked out eventually. Just took a minute. Um, Things were a little laggy, a little lackluster as far as speed, but refreshing a couple times and implementing those tokens and everything. If you kind of follow a guideline of what I did, you should be okay. Like I said, that was completely from scratch. So I was just kind of, you know, going impromptu, I guess you could say. But it looks like we are good now. We will check back on this 275 bucks in a few days or so, see how it's doing, see how the price of Snowbank's doing. Um, Remember, guys, please like this video, subscribe if you want to continue to see more content like this and join this journey with me. You can leave some comments down below at projects I need to look into or stuff you're looking at getting into, and yeah, let's all Lambo together and try to take advantage of these DAO projects that just have insane APY percentages. But appreciate y'all for watching, and y'all have a nice day.